In this clip, we're going to be making a caramel latte. This is going to be one of the most common drinks that you're going to run across in like the coffee world. If you go to like Starbucks or whatever, it'd be referred to like as a caramel macchiato. If you go to like Big B's or any coffee chain like that, or Caribou, Big B's it's called a caramel marble, and Caribou I believe it's just called a caramel latte. So we got our milk all steamed, and we have our caramel syrup. Ooh, we got sugar-free, so diabetics, you're in luck. Let's go with 2 pumps of caramel, shot of espresso, and all that delicious milk. This drink is great to get topped off with caramel, or topped off with whip. And then, if you want to, I think it's good if you garnish it a little bit with the caramel. Voila. Steve